So, I figured I would do just like a quicker video than I have lately. So I did a build already, and I made a video of it, just like the house tour of it. So that's what I'm uploading now. So I guess here it is. I decided to do a decade challenge because I've seen a few people do them, and I think it's really fun. I think it's a great idea, and it's a really good challenge. Now you will notice in here, I'm still getting the hang of the move objects stuff. So some of the stuff in the house tour is still floating a little bit. I'm going to go back in the game and fix that in a bit. This is up on the gallery under my username GracefulGlimmer. So if you like it and you want to have it or you want to alter it, go ahead. I did use my own actual shell. So under my username again on the gallery, I have it's just called a boring starter house shell. So that's what I started with, and I kind of built from there. So I hope you enjoyed it. So let's get into it. It's really a quick video that I'm doing today. So tell me in the comments if you like it or not. So here we go. Why is it? Okay, so yeah, I did a quick basement utility room, water heater, electric fuse box, etc. Nothing really, there's no real time period to that one. So first room up is the study, which was based in 1930. I did add a computer just for gameplay purposes. Normally, of course, in 1930, we wouldn't have had that. You would have had the typewriter that's over there. Then we're moving on to the home gym, which is from the 2000s. So I did add the textured paint, and I very clearly remember these just black and silver workout equipment. There was nothing fancy back in the early 2000s. So this is one of my favorite rooms. This is the arcade, the 1980s arcade. I had so much fun with this room. I was so excited when my wheels rolled up that this was what we were going to do. So I used the glowing dance floors. I kind of layered them, so that's why you're seeing it glitching. Then I did use just the pre-made 1920s formal dining area from the vintage glamour stuff, but I really love that dining room. So then we have the 90s kitchen. This was my childhood right here. And then the 1950s bathroom. I guess I didn't really have to speed this video up as much as I thought. So this is the main bath, kind of 1950s vibes, the teal green and bright pink. I found a lot of inspo photos for that. And you will notice throughout the build as well that I also used custom ceiling paint in every room as well, just to finalize how stuff looked. Forgive me on the camera work. I am still kind of just learning the cinematics. So the backyard I just did 2024 because I've really been dying to use a Desert Luxe kit. So I kind of just threw something together there. And then we'll just go back around to the front of the house. The landscaping I'm particularly proud of. It's never been a strength of mine, honestly. So I really liked how I was able to kind of mimic what was already there. This chess table, I need to pull the porch out a little farther because they can't access it. But now we go up to the second floor. And there's some really great rooms up here. I'm really excited. So first we walk up and it's a bonus room, really open area. So the living room is based in the 2020s as well. This was what was rolled. So I kind of took some inspiration from my older brother's living room, actually. He's got the white furniture and the white walls and everything, so it's really nice. Or he did at one point. I don't think he does anymore. But then we move on to the kids' room, which I was also excited was 2010s. So I did use a fair bit of stuff from Get Together, actually. Had really good inspo for it. I love that little purple penguin TV. It's so cute. Anyway, then over here next to the TV, we have the half bath, which was in the 1960s. I found a lot of inspo photos that had really busy blue wallpaper with all of the tile, like, and that dark navy blue too. So, yeah, so that's the half bedroom, or the half bathroom, not bedroom. This is one of my favorite rooms in this build. This is the 1940s guest room. I really think that this came together really beautifully. I love it so much. Also just kind of like some of these rooms are darker than maybe you might hope they would be. It's just I was also trying to base, lighting on time period as well. Master bedroom was 1910, so thank goodness for the Get Famous pack. We had a lot of royal looking, really fancy luxury kind of stuff. I know this wouldn't be your typical bedroom in 1910, but I really did want to have fun with it, so that's what I did. And then finally, we have the sunroom, which is one of my other favorites. So 1970. I really love how this one turned out. It just fit together so well. It looks great, and I'm so pleased. It's just great. I love it. Seems like a really cozy hangout spot. I would definitely spend most of my time here if I lived in this house. Now we're just back outside for one final look, and yeah, so just looking at the exterior, welcome home. So yeah, that's my decade challenge. I know it was a bit breakneck. I didn't actually realize how fast the video was going to go once it had been edited. So I appreciate you dropping by my YouTube channel even for this brief little 5 minutes. I had a lot of fun making this. It was really fun. So it is up on the gallery under my username GracefulGlimmer. It's called 1900 Memory Lane. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.